So solving further, we get this is final answer for part A of our question. So now moving to part B, where we have to calculate the rate of mass transfer of naphthalene. So we have given air water system where molar weight of air is taken as 20 gram per meter mole, and density of air is calculated by PM by RT, where P is 1 atm equal to 101.3 into 10 power 3 kilopascal. T is 25 degrees Celsius, which is 298 Kelvin. M air equal to 29 gram per mole, and R is taken as 8314. So substituting R value, we will get rho air equal to 101.3 into 10 power 3 into 29 divided by 8314 into 29. So from here, doing this calculation, we get rho air as 1.1857 kg per meter cube. We have also given some values like viscosity of naphthalene is as उसमें चार चार को विस्कोसिटी देख रखे So after we have given some other properties of air like viscosity, mu air at 25 degrees Celsius and 1 atm pressure is 2 into 10 power minus 5 kg per meter second, and diffusivity of water air equal to 2.568 into 10 power minus 5 meter square per second. Also, we have given ppm as 1.013 into 10 power 5 Newton per meter square. That is 1 atm. So, using this value, we will calculate JD, which will further used for calculation of Stanton number, and from there we will calculate mass transfer coefficient, and further we will get mass transfer rate of naphthalene. Now, for the calculation of JD, we will require some other factor like Schmidt number, which is given by viscosity of CO2 upon density CO2 and diffusivity of naphthalene to CO2. So for calculating this, we have mu CO2 is equal to 0.018 into 10 power minus 3 kg per meter square. Density of CO2 is given as 1.473 kg per meter cube. Also, we have diffusivity of naphthalene to CO2 is given by diffusivity we have given is from the question. Yeah, diffusivity is 5.15 into 10 power minus 0.6 meter square per second. Substituting all these values into this equation, we will get Schmidt number as 0.018 into 10 power minus 3 divided by 1.4373 into 5.15 into 10 power minus 0.6. Solving this, we will get Schmidt number as we have value of Schmidt number as 1.5226. So after this, there is one more factor remaining, that is Reynolds number. So calculating Reynolds number, will be given as rho L U rho L U by mu, where rho CO2 is already given as 1.4373. Length of cylinder we have 0.6 meter, and velocity with which the gas is flowing is 6 meter per second. Also we have viscosity of CO2 is viscosity of CO2 we have already told 0.018 into 10 power minus 3. Solving these values, we will get, we are calculating Reynolds number. So we will get final value of Reynolds number as 2.8746 into 10 power 5. So finally we have all the values to calculate JD. So moving further, we will calculate JD using the expression derived in the first part of the question. So we have final form of JD as JD equal to 3.17 into 10 power minus 8 into molar weight into m air into ppm upon density of air into Schmidt number power 2 by 3 into mu by L power minus 0.2 into Reynolds number power minus 0.2. So this is our final expression. So substituting all the values, we have molar weight of CO2 44 gram per mole, m air equal to 29 gram per mole, ppm is 1 atm, which is 101.31 kilopascal. Also, Schmidt number we have calculated. Schmidt number calculated is 1.5226, and Reynolds number calculated we have 2.8746 into 10 power 5. Also, we have value of viscosity mu is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 5 kg per meter second, and length given is 0.6 meter. Also, we require density of air, which is calculated as 1.1857 kg per meter cube. So we have all the values, and this formula, substituting all the values, we will get the value of GD. So putting all the values, 3.17 into 10 power minus 8 upon 44 into 29 into 0.1 and density of here we have 1.1857 into unit number 1.5226 power 2/3 into viscosity we have 2 into 10 power minus 5 and length 0.6 meter power minus 0.2 into Reynolds number we have Reynolds number calculated 2.8746 into 10 power 5 power minus 0.2. So calculating all these values, we will get GD equal to 2.4288 into 10 power minus 3. So this is the value of GD that we got. From here we will calculate Schmidt number for mass transfer. So Schmidt number for mass transfer as we have derived formula for average Schmidt number. So Schmidt number average will be Schmidt number divided by average mass, molar mass into so yeah, this will be equal to JD power Schmidt number power 2/3. Sorry for pronouncing this Schmidt number. This is Stanton number, and we have to calculate Stanton number. So Stanton final expression for Stanton number will be JD into average mass, which is mass of molar mass of air, and Schmidt number power 2/3. Substituting all the values, we get Stanton number will be 2.4288 into 10 power minus 3 into 29. Since this is gram per mole and we require standard unit, so converting it into kg, we will get 29 into 10 power minus 3 kg per mole divided by Schmidt number, we have 1.5226 power 2 by 3. So solving this value, we get standard number as 1.835 into 10 power minus 0.2. So this is the value for standard number. Now using this value, we can calculate the value of kg, as easily we have used the formula. Standard number equal to kg PVM into M average divided by rho into U. So from here we can use kg equal to 1.835 into 10 power minus 0.2 into density 1.4373 density of CO2 and viscosity of CO2, and viscosity of CO2 is here not viscosity, it is velocity, which is 6 meter per second, and we have given pressure 101.31 into 10 power 3, and we have molar mass as 44. So solving this value, we will get kg equal to 3.55 into 10 power minus 9 mole per meter square Pascal, which is mass transfer coefficient. Now from convective mass transfer equation, we have flux equal to kg into initial pressure, which is C10 H8 minus vapor pressure of naphthalene into air C10 H8. So here C10 H8 is the vapor pressure of C10 H8, where this term is partial pressure of C10 H8 in CO2. So we have given P star C10 H8 equal to, from the given data we have 1930 Newton per meter square, and since the CO2 is very dilute, so we will consider partial pressure of naphthalene in CO2 as 0. So substituting this value, also we have Kg equal to 3.55 into 10 power minus 9 kg per meter square faster. So substituting this value, we will get flux equal to 3.55 into 10 power minus 9 into 1930. This value will be this is not kg. This will be mole per meter square Pascal. So from here we will get value 4.7215 into 10 power minus 6 mole per meter square per kilometer. So this value is in mole per meter square per second, but we have to report the answer into the kg per hour. So let's convert this answer into this form by so kg of naphthalene evaporated per hour equal to flux into area into molecular weight into 3600. So for area, for calculation of area, we have given diameter is equal to 0.6 meter. This will give area equal to pi d square by 4. Area is equal to pi into 0.6 square by 4 equal to, calculating area we will get 0.1, we will get area 0.14137 meter square. Also molecular weight for naphthalene, that is C10H8 equal to estimated 10 into 12 plus 8, which is 128 mole gram per mole. So we have got this, and we already have formula. So we will put the value and get the final result as we had got plus 4.7125 into 10 power minus 6 into 3600 into 128 into area 0.1430. To solving this, we will get final value as 0.3075 kg per hour. So, reporting the final answer as value of kilogram of naphthalene evaporated per hour is estimated as 0.31075 kg per hour. This is our final answer for this question. That's it. This is our final answer for this question. That's it.